Hello and welcome to the Apptimizer. In this video, I am going to show you how to mirror your phone screen to a PC, and I will show you how to do this on both Windows and Linux. Let's start the video. Open your favorite browser and search for Scrcpy. Now scroll down and click on the download button. On the next page, click on Download Scrcpy for Windows 64-bit, which will redirect you to the last page. On this page, click on Download Latest Version. Check the description for direct download link. After download is complete, extract the zip file to C drive. And now open your phone's Settings app and go to About Phone. Tap on build number 7 times. You will see a message saying, Developer mode has been enabled. Now go back to Settings, tap on System, and tap on Developer Options. Connect your phone to any Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and enable USB and wireless debugging. If it asks for any permissions, allow them, and then click on Wireless Debugging. Here you will see your phone's IP and port number. You need this IP and port to connect your phone to your PC. Let's back to Windows System again. Open the extracted folder in Windows Terminal, then follow the video. For the commands, you can check the description. Okay, you are done. Congrats. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's try on Linux. Open your terminal and follow the video. For the commands, check the description. It's done. Now you can wirelessly control your phone without touching it. And please don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe, whatever.